Okay, so quick look at this power bank. This has a 24,000 milliamp hour battery. Not sure what type of cells, but I assume those are 3.7 volt lithium cells. It's advertised to be able to output 65 watt, which I can confirm it was able to output 65 watt through the entire discharge cycle. So this power bank has a good weight to it, but it's only 24,000 milliamps, so don't expect this to weigh a kilogram. It's also very well built. Despite being all plastic, it feels very good. In the front, we have this OLED screen. I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, the numbers are very big, very easy to read. At the top, we have only one AC outlet. As I said, this can output 65 watt. And then we have this LED to indicate that the outlet is turned on. This switch here is the one to turn on the outlet. Next to it, we have a port to charge the power bank. This button here turns on these two USB-A port. These here are limited to 12 watt. And then we have this 12 volt DC 5.5 for output. On the other side, we have a flashlight right here, and this is something that is actually usable, so it's very bright, not compared to one of those gimmicky power bank with flashlight but has only one LED. This is actually something that I can use at night. And here at the bottom, there's nothing, and at the back, we do have a couple certification. I just see two of them. One of them is for FCC, and the other one is for CE, and it's made in China. So this here is the power adapter, so it's a barrel connector as you saw earlier. And lastly, we have these two adapters, so both of them goes from DC 5.5, one goes to a male lighter and the other one goes to a female lighter. This is my test setup, so I have this load tester in the top right. It's connected to this adjustable power supply at the bottom right. This power supply is connected to this meter, and this meter is connected to the power bank. So we're gonna just concentrate on the power that is indicated here on this power meter, because the rest has conversion and efficiency loss. So the thing we just want to focus is make sure that this power bank is able to output 65 watt. So it is, and actually it's able to do a bit more. I was able to bring it up all the way to 80 watt before it shuts down. At 65, it was able to hold for 1 hour 8 minutes, and that was for the whole duration of the discharge cycle. So the battery went from 100 to 0%. So at 65 watt, it has no problem. It's able to output that amount very safely. As usual, it's very hard to say how efficient something is unless you know exactly how it is made. The cells in this, I don't really know, so every cell has their own chemistry and they all have some different characteristic. I'm gonna just take a guess, and they say these are just regular 3.7 volt lithium cells. So efficiency on this would be around 83% for the AC output, which is very good. The USB port was not as efficient, so I measured a 61.89 watt hour, which brings this to a 69.69% efficiency. Overall, it's a very nice power bank. It can match the advertised power output. 65 watt is not tons of power, so if you need more, you have to look elsewhere. Hopefully this is helping you out. Thank you very much for watching.